Hey everyone, this is Charlene Davis, and I hope you're having a great day. And today I wanted to talk a little bit about my journey and 90 days to freedom, and how you too can also get on the path to creating 90 days to your freedom. So what does freedom mean? So freedom might mean freedom of time, financial freedom. Freedom means something different to everyone. But a lot of times people are thinking about financial freedom. So as long as you are going to work and you have a 9-to-5 job that you have to report to every single day, and you rely on that job to create an income for you, you are not financially free. You might be okay. You might be well off. You might be able to put some money in your savings and pay your bills and all of those things, or live comfortably. But if you still have to report to a 9-to-5 and you are exchanging time for money, that is not financial freedom. That is also not time freedom, because you are in 9-to-5 jail. Again, they are dictating your time. That boss, that company that you work for dictates your time. You have to ask when you want to take vacation. You have to ask if your child is sick that day. There's a lot of different things. You can't just make your own schedule. So what does it take to get on the path 90 days to freedom? The first thing it will take is finding something that you're passionate about and starting a business. So most entrepreneurs have what we call leverage. So I used to be a traditional business owner. So in a traditional business owner, I'm at the top and I have employees. So my business would still be open, and those employees might be at work and I might not be at work. My business is still taking in money even though I'm not at work. So I'm leveraging those employees. Being a business owner, though, it's high stress, a lot of expenses, that create, and you're always married to that business. So yes, I had some time away and I had a little bit of time freedom, but if my business wasn't open, I still was not generating the combination of financial freedom and time freedom. Even though I wasn't at work, and my business is running, that's all I was ever thinking about was work. So that's one way to leverage your time, is I was leveraging my employees. And if you're an employee, your owner of your company is leveraging you. So you're generating money for them. So what you want to do is you want to be the entrepreneur. You want to be the business owner and position yourself at the top. So over time I've learned this, and I've tried a lot of other things, network marketing, and over the years, probably the last 10 or 15 years, through network marketing and some dabbling online, I have found online marketing. I enjoy it tremendously. I meet people all over the world. But the first thing you need to do is find a business system. There's a lot of them out there. There are a lot of them that are kind of shady, so you need to really be careful. But there's a lot of really great opportunities online. You want to find something that's been around for a while. So the Power Lead system, it's been around for 10 years. It pays every single week. It's been paying on time. And there are thousands of people making money every week with the Power Lead system. Okay, so that's the first thing. You want to get yourself a system. The second thing is you want to partner with someone, find a sponsor that willing to work with you, not just initially talk with you, get you in the business, and then they leave you hanging, and then you never hear from them again. So you want to position yourself with a great sponsor, also a great team that surrounds that sponsor, because we eventually do all learn from each other and we feed off of each other. And that is something that took me a long time to learn. I always thought that I had a great program and a great sponsor. And that just necessarily wasn't the case. But I have found that in the Power Lead system. So for the first time, I've actually been able to generate an income, whether it be through other online marketing adventures or previous to that, network marketing. This is the first time I've actually been able to generate an income. And I contribute a lot of that to my sponsor and the team behind our program here. So that's the second thing. And the third thing is I don't care what it is that you do, you need to follow the training and you need to be consistent. So being consistent means doing a little bit every single day. At the beginning, it's going to be more. There is a learning curve, just as if you were starting a brand new job. There are skills that you need to learn. If you've never worked online before, there's a lot of skills that you will need to learn, and don't let that scare you. Trying something new can be very, very scary, but if it scares you, those are the things that you need to be doing. Those are the things that you need to be trying. So 3 things. You need a good business system. You need a really great team that's going to help and support you, and you need to be consistent. The third variable, that's something we can't help you with. We can give you all the training in the world, but if you're not willing to implement it and actually do the work, I don't care what the program is, you're never going to be successful. Okay? So one thing that our team has put together is there's a lot of people who don't know exactly what to do on a daily basis. So our team has put together a training program. It's called our 90-Day Blitz. And my computer's going to move a little slow here. When you get started and you do a 90-day program with us and you get started at either a diamond level or above, you can have access to the 90-day training program right here. And it's within our Freedom Takers Diamond and Platinum group. In here we have some 90-day blitz training, the road needed for success. So every day there has been a live training. It has been recorded, and it tells you exactly what you need to do every single day to be successful. If you do these things every single day, in 90 days, you will be on your way to whatever that freedom is that you want, that we talked about at the beginning. Okay? So the 90-day Blitz program. Then we talk a little bit about the team. Our team here is called the Freedom Takers. And this team's been around probably for about a year or so, and it's growing like crazy. So you will be a part of this program where you can get training. You can talk with other people. We have co-op groups in here for those who have no idea how to generate traffic at the beginning. Because you have to generate some traffic to make this business work. And we teach you how to do all of that. But look at all these new members that are coming in. This is a brand new gal, and run that traffic, guys. And she's getting sign-ups, and each one of these sign-ups becomes a $20 monthly residual. This gal running traffic, she had 27 opt-ins yesterday. And look at all these new members that are coming in every single day. And we want to be able to help and support you. Maya here, Wednesday is payday around here, so every single Wednesday, this is what the email looks like when we get a payment. So she received a payment. Robert got one yesterday. I have had several of these emails. Paul, who's been with us a lot longer, he's been doing this for a while, his weekly payout was a little over $4,000. So, you stick with the program and you be consistent, you will get there too, but it really depends on you. This gentleman, yesterday, a couple days ago, he had 39 new leads come in and a diamond level commission, and a diamond level commission is $100. So he made $100 in that one day. Here, again, the same gentleman, he had received 66 more leads and another gold commission. So the gold is a $20 commission. Let's scroll down to see a couple other people here. Amanda, again, she's been doing this a little bit longer, but almost $3,000 just last week in commissions. Here she talks about doing the co-op traffic. Our team actually has a traffic program put together, so it takes the guesswork out of it. You don't need to do anything. You just tell us how much traffic you want that particular week. And we'll get that going for you so you can start earning while you learn. So that's really what it takes to be to get to the 90 days of freedom. A lot of times people really like to overcomplicate things, and we like to just really try and keep it simple. So I really would love it if you learned more about what it is we have to offer, how the program works. I'd love to get on the phone with you. We can certainly talk. Connect with me on Facebook. My link is below this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I can't wait to see you on the other side, because it takes all of us to be able to obtain the freedom that we want, the financial freedom or the time freedom, and all of us doing just a little bit and helping one another out. So I hope you have a great day, and here's to your success in 2018. Thanks so much.